Good morning, 6th class. Today in GK we are going to do chapter 10 Go Green. In Go Green, first we are going to do save energy, as energy is costing too much for all of us, and we all should save energy to save our money also and time also. If we see in this option, there are no nuclear fusion power stations because nuclear fusion is hard to control. Yes, it's a reaction in which very large amount of energy is released. Second one is geyser are the example of geothermal energy. Then we are having third one, this source of energy is not renewable. Petroleums are not renewable, their stocks are limited and one day they will get finished. The most commonly used renewable source of energy is hydro energy which we are getting from water. We are making electricity in the dams, that is hydro energy. Renewable energy sources replenished by nature. After some time nature produces them again. Then we are having this source of renewable energy is not weather dependent, geothermal. It doesn't depend whether weather is good, sunlight is there or not. It is stored inside the earth crust. Most renewable energy sources can be tracked back to the nuclear fission. The next one we are having 8. The source of energy is renewable. Which one out of them is wind? Sun gets its energy from which reaction? Nuclear fission, fusion. Yes, it is nuclear fusion, where two hydrogen atoms combining together and producing large amount of energy. Burning oil produces carbon dioxide. Yes, when we are burning any fuel, carbon dioxide is evolved, which causes global warming. Now we are coming to next topic on Go Green, that is global warming. As we all know that due to large use of energy, large number of pollutant gases are increasing and they are enhancing or increasing the global warming. These all, what is global warming? Basically it is increase in the temperature of the earth. Now when the temperature in the earth, what happened to your fridge generally when light is not there? Ice starts melting. It starts melting because inside the fridge what happens? The temperature starts rising up. So there is melting of ice. Same thing is happening on the earth nowadays. Due to global warming, the temperature of the earth is increasing and all the ice caps like in Antarctica, Arctic Ocean or high mountain caps, they all are melting. Now on that we will be doing some, choose the correct options in this. Some gases form blanket around the earth. They let sun energy pass into the atmosphere but do not let it escape back into the space. What are these gases called? Greenhouse gases. They don't allow the energy to go out. IPC stands for Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Amount of carbon dioxide being released into air is called as global carbon emission. The title of Al Gore Oscar-winning documentary and book is An Inconvenient Truth. So this was about global warming. Now eco warriors. If global warming is there, so there are large number of people who or organizations which are working to protect the environment, and Project Tiger, Worldwide Fund for Nature, Chipko movement, PETA, the Narmada Bachao Andolan, Silent Valley Project. This popular organization work for the conservation of animal and environment worldwide. It was popularly known as Worldwide Fund. It is Worldwide Fund for Nature. Second, this was the social movement aimed at protecting the Silent Valley and evergreen tropical forest in Palakkad district of Kerala, India. It was started in 1973 to save the forest from being flooded down to a hydroelectric project. So the name of that was Silent Valley Project. Under the leadership of Mehta Patekar, this movement protests against the construction of Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River in Gujarat. The movement is aimed at providing proper rehabilitation to people who would lose their homes because of this project. So that was Narmada Bachao Andolan. Fourth one, this project was launched in 1973 to protect the tiger population in India. Project Tiger. The name given to that. The name was for Project Tiger. This is an animal right organization. It worked to protect cruelty toward animals, promote vegetarian campaign against using animal product in clothing especially, or in movies or wherever. So we call it PETA. This movement begins in the hills of Uttarakhand in India to oppose the cutting down of trees, and the villagers hugged the trees to protect them from being cut. Sundarlal Bahuguna was the leader, one of the leader of this movement. So this movement was Chipko movement. So this is all about our chapter Go Green. So I hope you all are studying. So keep safe.